The 2023 BMW X7 M60i is the latest iteration of BMW's flagship sports activity vehicle, combining luxury, power, and performance in a stunning package. As the flagship model in BMW's X Series lineup, the X7 offers buyers an unparalleled driving experience with its blend of comfort, technology, and sportiness. With its commanding presence and sharp design language, the X7 is poised to continue BMW's legacy of engineering excellence. Under the hood, the X7 M60i features a powerful 4.4-liter V8 engine, which is equipped with BMW's TwinPower turbo technology. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, enabling the X7 M60i to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. The engine is mated to a smooth and responsive 8-speed Steptronic Sport automatic transmission, ensuring that power is always on tap for an exhilarating driving experience. It is built on BMW's modular Clair platform, which utilizes a mix of high-strength steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber to reduce weight and increase structural rigidity. This lightweight yet strong architecture helps to enhance the SUV's handling capabilities and fuel efficiency, while also contributing to a lower center of gravity for improved stability. The exterior design exudes confidence and sophistication. With its large kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and aggressive M Sport body styling, the X7 commands attention wherever it goes. The muscular stance is accentuated by 22-inch alloy wheels, while the adaptive M suspension system ensures a smooth and composed ride, even on rough terrain. Inside the cabin, the X7 features a lavish interior that is both spacious and comfortable. The 3-row seating layout accommodates up to 7 passengers, while the high-quality materials, including merino leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, create an atmosphere of refinement and luxury. Additionally, the panoramic glass sunroof adds to the sense of space and openness, ensuring all passengers enjoy the ride. When it comes to technology, the BMW X7 does not disappoint. Equipped with the latest iDrive 7 infotainment system, which includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. This advanced system offers seamless connectivity, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium Harman Kardon surround sound system. In terms of practicality, the 2023 BMW X7 M60i excels with its versatile cargo capacity. With all seats in place, the SUV offers 12.8 cubic feet of space, while folding down the third-row seats expands the cargo area to 48.6 cubic feet. For those who require even more storage, folding down the second-row seats provides a cavernous 90.4 cubic feet of space, making the X7 M60i a highly practical choice for families and adventurous drivers alike. It is a remarkable combination of luxury, performance, and practicality. As the flagship model in BMW's X Series lineup, it offers an unparalleled driving experience with its advanced technology, engaging driving dynamics, and sumptuous interior. With its commanding presence and cutting-edge features, the X7 is a testament to BMW's commitment to automotive excellence, and it is poised to set new standards for the luxury SUV segment. Whether you're a family seeking the ultimate in comfort and space, or a driving enthusiast in search of power and handling, the BMW X7 promises to exceed expectations and deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.